Expedition. Look at my expedition. Presented by Mrs. Seema Chakraborty, PRT, KV number 1, Ishapur. Glimpses on my serving duties in various KVs. First posting is at KV Maithan. I served there from 28 September 1993 to 25th November 1996. Then I got transferred to KV Kashrapara number 1 and I served there from 26th November 1996 to 3rd September 2002. And then I got transferred to KV Barakpur Air Force and I served there from 4th of September 2002 to 18th of June 2011. Then I got transferred to KV Singtam NHPC Tista and I rendered my job over there from 19th of June 2011 to 15th of May 2012. And at now till I am serving at KV number 1 Ishapur from 16th of May 2012 till date. Synopsis of my contribution in various departments. I acted as CCA coordinator for consecutive 5 years, acted as academic coordinator, acting also as exam in charge of primary section, acted as CMP in charge, that is common minimum program, becomes maths convener of primary section because I have to conduct math subject committee. I worked as fellow member in admission department. There is an active participation in introducing Bala project, that is building as learning aid project in Vidyalaya. I have an active participation in different school events as announcer. I acted as maths club in charge, acted as eco club in charge, acted as an editor of e-magazine and also acting as ICT in charge to promote technology in teaching learning process. My achievements. I received an appreciation letter from Honorable Principal of KV number 1 Ishapur in 2016 for my commendable work for the session 2015-2016. I got International Maths Olympiad Appreciation Certificate in December 2013. National Science Olympiad Appreciation Certificate in November 2013 for conducting the Olympiads in school. 3-day workshop as resource person for PRTs. It was from 29th of March 2019 to 31st of March 2019. 2 days workshop by NCERT and KVS at RIE Mysore from 19th February 2018 to 20th February 2018. Achieved certificate of social commitment in 2009-10. Achieved certificate of appreciation for Helpage India. 2-day 3rd of September 2009 to 24th September 2009, I completed workshop on ThinkQuest program. I achieved Oracle certificate in May 2009. I completed 15-day workshop, that is CPP DPT, organized by IGNOU. I achieved certificate from Google, that is Code to Learn. I completed ECTLT workshop. I achieved certificate of participation in Microsoft. I completed 3-day workshop on managing diversities at ZIT Bhubaneswar. And I completed 5-day workshop on master trainer for language development in both English and Hindi. And recently I completed on 9th June online training on pedagogy of environmental studies and health and hygiene from Diksha portal. Now it's the synopsis of my contribution in various departments. As CCA coordinator, for consecutive 5 years I completed. I just repeated this. I worked as resource person in 12-day in-service course for PRT's first spell, and the certificate is enclosed here. I worked also as resource person in 10-day in-service course for the PRTs, that is second spell. The certificate is enclosed. Worked as resource person in 10-day induction course for newly recruited PRTs from 12th May 2018 to 21st May 2018, and the certificate is here enclosed. I created my own YouTube channel. You can visit here and see and can observe my contribution for in ICT. This is the inaugural ceremony of newly recruited PRTs in 2018 and participated as resource person. So I was conducting the inaugural ceremony over there. It's a lecture on maths innovative activities in primary level in induction course, and the newly recruited teachers are there, and I am delivering a lecture on this maths innovative activities, how to conduct in primary level. Again, conducted the inaugural ceremony of 12-day in-service course for the first spell for PRTs, that is first spell. I was conducting the inaugural ceremony there also. And it was the lecture given by me on innovative method of teaching maths in primary level. Given the concept of Vedic maths and Chinese ways of doing multiplication, which is much important and which will be much benefited for the children of primary section. Concept of national curriculum framework 2005 has been given to the teachers. So this is the team of in-service course for PRTs with Honorable Deputy Commissioner Shri N.R. Murli. Is a complete photograph along with the resource persons, principals, Honorable Principal Sir, Honorable Deputy Commissioner with the team members. It is a lecture on pilot project Back to Basics in service training of teachers in Ordnance Factory Institute of Learning, Ichhapur, where the teachers from different schools attended this in-service training. And it was a lecture on Common Minimum Program. And this is my website. You can visit my innovations. What are the innovations I did? I have put in my website. The CMP inaugural ceremony at KV number 1 Ishapur conducted the ceremony over here, and this publication is by Dainik Samachar. So here we are here. We are conducting the PTA meeting. This is Parent Teachers Association with all the parents of my class, and I was conducting the PTA meeting. My innovations here, the TLM exhibitions, the children, they have prepared the teaching learning materials, and I have exhibited all these materials. Exploring with the creations of the children. Just visit. The constructivism approach in the teaching learning process. Templates in the flow chart. These are different templates. They are in flow chart. Collage of newspaper headlines in library period. We have done this. The children, they have taken out the headlines from the newspaper and make a collage in the library period. Different word pyramids, enrichment in vocabulary. This is tangram preparation. The children, this is another way of making, this is geometrical figures. From the geometrical figures, the different shapes of plants and animals, and basically the animals and the birds are made from this tangram. Again, the children creations. The teaching learning materials over here. And these are again the teaching learning materials: jugs and mugs, abacus, pattern, folding of boxes, and these are all prepared by children. Constructivism. Look at all the teaching learning materials which are very much familiar. The teaching learning materials here, the different patterns, graphs, everything, these are all prepared by the children only as per their lessons. Use of ICT. Sometimes I used to take the this is a teaching to the teachers only, how to use ICT in the class. And this is a contribution in the Bala project, that is building as learning aid, where we have done concept of 2D and 3D addition, subtraction, nature and animals drawn on the wall. So that the children can learn from the environment, from the walls of the schools. The Pala project continued, concept of mathematical operation, motivating children to come in the school. So many options are there for the small children. Contribution in planning Bala project in Vidyalaya, numbers on the steps. Look at the numbers here on the steps. The children will learn here. Solar system drawn on the wall. Children on activity, concept of learning by doing. Nature visit of the tiny toddlers and counting the number of flowers. So by visiting nature, the children also learn so many things from the surroundings. collecting dry leaves from the ground and counted them and sorted them in tens and ones. This is a sculpture of Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore on the tree. From there also they can learn about Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore. This is included in Bala project. So adventurous children in the nature. Look at the children, they are enjoying in open air. Now this is the awareness for Clean India. We have done so many awareness program. So this is one of it, for Clean India, Green India, designed by me. So one of the child of my class, she has designed herself with this. So this is a message given to the people for Clean India, awareness for Clean India. Campaigning for Clean India by my student. Use me, wake up people, keep your city clean, no use of plastics. So these are the message given by the children, by one of my student of my class. Floral Rangoli by my children. It's really marvelous, splendid. So one of the CCA activity, a project on making bridges using matchboxes and plot its side view, top view and front view. This is again the TLM they have prepared using the matchboxes, the bridges. Now here it is the community lunch continued. I always prefer the children should take their tiffin in community, share their foods and learn how to share and keeping the brotherhood among themselves. This is again a fancy dress show continued here. This awareness program for Cleaning India. Interacting with the students on Children's Day. This is on Children's Day. The children, they have prepared themselves as some of them are Jawaharlal Nehru, and they acted and they performed one skit on it. My musical troupe, an innovative activity on the lesson Mumbai musicians with the different TLMs, teaching learning material, guitar, then harmonium, then tabla. So many things are there with the children. Children engrossed in activities of finding perimeter of irregular figures. Here conducting National Science Olympiad for class 8, 9 and 10. Here the exploring children in the open air. After academic section, the children are in the playground. Organizing fruit break in my class after second period every day for compulsory intake of fruits. This is one of the steps I have taken in my class. Conducted efforts for Fit India movement. This is the Olympiad achievers of my class. Here is an achievement of quiz contest after completing 2 hours course on spreading COVID-19 worldwide by World Health Organization. This is one of the achievement by me. Initiatives taken by my students to get others aware of precautionary measures against COVID-19. So these are some of the glimpses drawn by my children. Showcased my achievements and contribution. Thank you very much.